well-behaved dog in the vlog here this morning, or this how-to video. As you guys seen, the Serpentine belt actually left the chat on this car. Don't know how to, so we're gonna do a how-to video on how to replace a Serpentine belt. Should be quick and easy. Keyword, should. But the first thing we're gonna do is take the wheel off so it gives us some space. We don't have to take the wheel off. I just like to have extra space. So let's go ahead and take the wheel off first. And then you're gonna have to take off the inner Serpentine belt that connects to the power steering pump. And then the other one is behind where the water pump is, which is the one that I'm missing. The water pump and the alternator. There we go, as you guys can see. I cannot get the light to do the light things. Yeah, there we go. All right, guys, so I'm gonna show you here what you need to take off. So you have one bolt here and there's another bolt on the side. It's gonna be very hard for you guys to see that. Oh, you guys, it'll go somewhere? Yeah, the camera finally focused. So there's one here and there's one over here. You're gonna loosen both of those up and it'll give you play to move the power steering back and forth in order to get the belt off. And on the back side here, it's the same exact thing going on the back side there. I'm not gonna be really able to show you, I guess. Oh, yeah, I am. Okay, so I think I got it right. So this right here and this right here, you be loosened up to move your alternator. So you essentially be disconnecting the alternator halfway and the power steering halfway in order to get each bolt off. That's exactly what we got to do. It's in a really tight space, so let's get it started. And shaboom, you inspect the belt. Unfortunately, I gotta reuse this one because no place nearby has another belt, and this one still looks fairly good. So we're gonna reuse this one and put the new one on. Yeah, that's fun. Yeah, that's so much fun. All right, guys, so when getting the top two bolts that I showed you, those are 12mm bolts. And then this one right here for the alternator to rock back and forth, you need, I think it's a 14 to get that one off and loose so you can push that one forward. So I'm gonna demonstrate that right now. All right, guys, so as you guys see, obviously to get that on, you gotta get the first one on and then the second one on. And then you do everything in reverse. Yay. So make sure you pull back on the alternator, tighten it up, everything. I'm gonna do that off camera because, yeah, it's hot. Can you leave me alone? Can you leave me alone?
Okay, so you see this? This goes to that, and then that goes to that. You understanding? Look at the camera. Okay, you see that? Okay. So basically, sorry, my fault, dude. So that's the engine. You're bored already? Okay, so that's the engine. That's the battery, right? I think that's the intake manifold, or I'm wrong. I don't know, I don't care. That's the radiator. That's your father. Those are hoses. Say hi to the people.
The intake manifold is actually this.
That's the intake manifold. My fault, dog. Okay, so you see that? Hold on. You get a little fat.
If he starts calling the fuck out of one of us because he started to
okay, so you see that? That's the fan down there, right? You see that? You see down there? That's the fan, right? Right? That's your father. Okay. So you see what he's doing?
You ran out of things that you knew?
I did. Okay.
What am I working on right now? I changed it on
something with the pulley.
Yeah, you're close.
Serpentine belt?
Yeah.
Cool beans. I don't know what's going on. Cool beans.
This is way too close to the AC line.
Yeah, you see that? It's way too close to the AC line. You see that, Mason? The guy that works on cars, you know.
Don't tell people that. It's only free labor for people who live here.
that was my impulsive buy of $40.
Oh.
Just go ahead and, can you open that flap? The flap? Yeah.
Oh, that.
I like opening up flaps. Oh, the wrong flap is this flap here.
Hey, yo.
Yeah.
Oh my God, what the fuck?
Yeah, open that flap, Poppy.
What?
Oh my God.
I just reported that.
Me no black,
Me no black, me no Dominican, Poppy. Alright, put that on there. Put that on there. Alright. Wait, how do you get this shit there?
Just turn it on.
Alright, Jose, turn it on, I guess. This nigga just hit his head. Good shit. This thing was actually worth the money. Hell yeah. Goodbye, Bo. What the fuck just happened?
Can I turn it off?
Yeah. All right, is the battery light on? So the battery light is now off. All right, good job. Huh?
Should I turn on the AC?
Yeah. Make sure everything is working. Is it in neutral? All right, as you guys see, I don't want to get my hands caught in there. It's on there and it's on there tight. No squeaking, no loud noises. The MAF sensor is not connected. That's why it's doing all that. Do I look tired? I'm really tired. If you liked today's video, and if this was a helpful video, like, subscribe, share with all your friends. See you guys in the next video.